Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantab Publishers video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear students, you must have with you Class 1 English textbook. We are going to start our lesson from Unit 5, A Good Child. Our topic is common, proper nouns and compound words. SLOs of this lesson are: recognize that people and places have particular names. In this lesson, we are going to discuss the kinds of noun, the common noun and the proper noun. Let's discuss the common noun first. A word used for person, place or thing in general is called the common noun. एक ऐसा word जो person, place और thing के लिए general इस्तेमाल होता है उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Common noun. Like city, man, bank, ruler. It can be any city, any man, any bank, any ruler. Talking about generally about the person, places or things. And what are the proper nouns? A word used for a particular person, place or thing is called a proper noun. For example, Lahore is a particular city. Qaid-e-Azam is a particular person and the State Bank is a particular bank. So if we compare them both, you can see the difference. These are general things here. And these are specific. ये unique और special हैं और हमेशा याद रखें कि proper noun में हम first letter हमेशा capitalize करते हैं. Can you see the capital letters? Yes. यहाँ पर सिटी की बात हुई जनरली, लेकिन हमने यहाँ पर स्पेसिफिक सिटी की बात की, जैसे कि लाहौर, कराची, पेशावर, कोयटा. पर्सनालिटीज में कायद-ए-आज़म, इल्लामा इकबाल. बैंक में आपका स्पेसिफिक बैंक हो गया स्टेट बैंक. Now let's do the exercise here. Pick out the common and proper nouns from the given sentences and write them in the spaces given below. We have the sentences here, so you have to recognize the common and the proper noun from the given sentences. And always remember that proper noun start with the capital letter. So the A here, Umar celebrates his birthday party at his house. Yes, we can recognize the proper noun here, the one with the capital letter, Umar. कॉमन नाउन कौन सा इसमें? यस, हाउस. The B, Mano is my pet cat. Here you can see that Mano is specific name of cat here. So it's a proper noun. And cat is general. However, we are talking about the same cat, but here the Mano is specified and the cat, it can be any cat. See, Sumaya and Fatma are best friends. Here you can see the Sumaya and Fatma with the first capital letters are proper noun. And the common noun are? Yes, friends. It can be any friends. Friends in general. The D, Multan is a hot city. Here the city is common, but the Multan is specified here. It's a proper noun. E, Akram is a smart boy. Boy is a common noun. And Akram is proper noun. Let's move forward. The F here, Badshahi Masjid is a historical place. So place is a common noun. But Shahi Masjid with the capital letter is a proper noun. The last one, we eat sweets on Eid al-Fitr. So sweets is a common noun and Eid al-Fitr is a specific day of celebration for Muslims. With the capital letter. Now let's do the compound words. What are the compound words? When we join two words together, it's called compound word. The two different words join together and they will convey the different meaning. जब दो different words को आपस में जोड़ दिया जाता है तो वो एक नया word बनाता है और एक new meaning convey करता है. Compound words हमने previous lessons में भी पढ़े हैं, Unit 2 और 3 में. Now let's do the exercise here. Match the words of column A with the correct word from column B and write the compound word in column C. आपने क्या करना है, इन वर्ड्स को इन वर्ड्स के साथ मैच करके कंपाउंड वर्ड्स बनाने हैं. कैसे? लेट्स सी द फर्स्ट वन, पोस्ट. यस, यू हैव टू मैच विद द वर्ड्स फ्रॉम हियर. मदर, टेबल, मैन, पेपर, मैट, लाइट, ऑफिस और ग्राउंड. यस, पोस्ट ऑफिस, जहाँ से हमें मेल वगैरह आती हैं. ये हो गया आपका पोस्ट ऑफिस. The second one, tube. Table, man, paper, mat, light. Yes, tube light. Play. Play office, play light, mat, paper, man, table, mother. और playground. Yes, जहाँ हम खेलते हैं. Playground. The team. Yes, teammate. मेट कहते हैं साथी को. आपका टीम का जो साथी हो उसे कहेंगे टीममेट. डाइनिंग. यस, डाइनिंग टेबल जिस पे हम खाना खाते हैं. जेंटल. यस, मैन, जेंटलमैन. News. It's very easy. Newspaper. Grand. Yes, the only option is remaining here. Grandmother. Dadi ma. This is your home task from workbook. Choose the correct option with the help of your sibling. Okay, naming words are what? Pronouns or nouns? Yes, obviously the nouns. Noun names a person, place or thing or idea. Pronoun replaces the noun. For example, I, you, we, they, he, she, it. And noun names a person, place or thing like boy, girl, pen, chair, table. And we also discussed the two kinds of noun, common noun and proper noun. The second one is general naming words like city, car, schools are what? Yes, common noun. The third one, particular names are called? Yes, proper noun. Fourth one, which one is the common noun here? Flower or rose? Flower can be any flower. The rose is specified here. The fifth one, guess proper noun from the following. Main or qaid-e-azam? Main is a general noun here, common noun here. So it can't be correct one. The qaid-e-azam, the qaid-e-azam is the correct option here. Sixth one, guess the compound word. Yes, compound word वो जिसमें हम दो different words को मिला के एक नया word बनाते हैं. Yes, the grandmother here. The question 2 here, reading and writing. Use the words from the blue box to fill in the lines to complete the paragraph. Then read it with your siblings. This one here. It Sunday morning. I at home today. Mother biryani on this day. Father his motorbike. We to the park. We a lot. You have to choose this word and fill the blanks here. It is Sunday morning. I am at home today. Mother cooks biryani. Father washes his motorbike. We go to the park. We enjoy a lot. As you can see, all the sentences are in simple present tense. Like something is habitual, they use to this routine on every Sunday. Simple present tense में वो चीज़ें आ जाती हैं जो आप रेगुलरली करते हो या जो आपकी रूटीन होती है या फैक्ट्स होते हैं या हैबिट्स होती हैं. तो ये हर संडे को इनकी यही रूटीन होती है. तो ये सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में लिखे गए हैं सारे सेंटेंसेस. क्वेश्चन 3 हियर, रीड द वर्ड बैंक, pick out common and proper noun with the help of your siblings, then write them in the relevant column. Country, here, yes, it's a general noun, common noun, because it can be any country, not specific name we have here. So one is country. And the other is, yes, K2. K2 is the specified mountain here. Proper noun. Proper noun का आप पता कैसे लगा सकते हैं? हमेशा जो उसका फर्स्ट लेटर होता है वो क्या होता है? कैपिटल होता है. River, yes, it can be any river. Faisal Mosque, yes, you can see the capital letter here, F, and the Faisal Mosque is a specific mosque. C, it can be any C. Ahmad, a specific name here and the capital letter. This is your homework from summer pack. We have an activity here. Visit the people and places you know with your parents and write their common names and proper names. This is also your homework from summer pack, page number 39 and page number 40. And this is your homework from textbook. The common noun and the proper noun which we have discussed earlier in the lesson, you have to identify all the common and proper noun from this text of your unit 5. Just give it a read and underline all the common and proper nouns in it. Dear students, I hope you have enjoyed my lesson. Thank you.